Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to wrap up all the concepts that I've been explaining and demonstrating in all other videos. So to start with, I started by introducing Xulendo and I gave an overview of what it is all about. I also explained different features of this start page, such as the login for administrators, that this is where Xulendo administrators or experts can upload different materials to the platform. I also explained about the help button, that you can use this if you're not sure how something works with Xulendo or you would like to get some support or help on using some features. And adding to that, I also explained that you can utilize the notice uh, message to be able to give feedback of your experiences as you're using Xulendo. So you can use this link to give us feedback, to access the feedback form, and then uh, communicate to us what you think about the platform. And moving to that, I explained about content categories such as form and subject, and also content collections, which are our Xulendo textbooks. I also went further explaining what the footer or the page below contains, that it has a WhatsApp chat button where you can reach out to us with any ideas or any other information that you might have. And also it has the about that contains information about Xulendo, and the privacy notice, where you get the information or you get to understand how we might be using some of the information that the site might be gathering from your user sessions. And also I talked about how you get to the start page, which is this page you see on the screen, and how you can browse around this page. So there I explained a lot on how you can also search content using advanced search options such as filters, and how you can access different content types such as videos, audios, uh, and other documents. So, and then I went further explaining how you can troubleshoot. Uh, in other words, solving common problems that you might run into or encounter as you're using the platform. I also explained more and shed more light about user registration and accounts, where I said users do not need to register or set up an account with Xulendo for them to access the platform, but on the accounts registration and setup are only for Xulendo experts. So if you are not so clear about any other videos that I've recorded, and you seek more clarifications, or you seek more information about the videos or on how to use a particular feature, please, you can come to us. You can contact us either using Xulendo website, or also the Xulendo help email, to reach out to us with your information or your complaints, and then we'll be able to address them as required. And at this point, I would like you to note that Xulendo is still under development, therefore it's still constantly growing and improving. So at this point, we would like to thank everyone who has been uh, uh, contributing to the content and material that you can find on the platform. And if you out there you have any more educational materials that you would like to share with the public or with other schools, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, so that we can be able to evaluate, review your material, and upload it to the platform for other people to access. If you have any more ideas on how we can improve our content, uh, you can give feedback as well, or else join us on shaping the impactful education experience on Xulendo. Otherwise, stay blessed and enjoy using Xulendo.